y'all make sure to subscribe because all this just arrived. GoPro. And none of this shit is cheap. So I'm gonna need y'all to hit that sub. What's up, YouTube? Got the GoPro, as you can see, on the head. Gonna be doing some test footage. Do a run today. Some POV of me going, Christmas shopping, going to hit the streets a little bit. So it's gonna be the first time to do POV. Y'all stay tuned. Also, shout out to On The Gas. I just got some merch from them. It just arrived. It's just paper on the hoodie. And I got this cool little On The Gas keychain for the keys. So, gonna show y'all some of that. Let's go. Well, first things first. You gonna buy a Scat pack, you gotta be ready to do some Scat pack things, you know what I'm saying?
Where the fuck my cut? Where the fuck my
reef? Turns on this car are super fun. Coming off a stop, you got an open corner, nobody's coming. I've gotten to the point now where I can control off a throttle when I come off a turn. I mean, nothing crazy though, I don't want to say I'm perfect at it, but I can get it down pretty good now. I can hit it. At first, when I first got the car, I couldn't come off a stop. I had to come off light on the gas. But now, with time, you get better at things. Like that. Like that. Who says you need to get a Hellcat to have fun with a car, bro? Who says you need to have a Hellcat? The throttle, the power you get off of this is plenty of power, plenty for your everyday use. Plenty for your everyday use. I got camera equipment here on the side. Y'all don't judge me. Still figuring out a system to record everything. Thank you for getting out the way. Jump in front of her, but it's not a lot of room. I'm gonna fish tell her so she knows what's up. Move, bitch. Ah, just playing. Oh, okay. She revving it. She knows what's up. Dropping all these rocks. Oh crap, everybody dropping rocks. Get out of here. always worked up until yesterday. There was a car in my blind spot, and I did not see him, and I almost hit him. But I believe it was more on that driver jumping in on a clear lane. I had an open spot. I think he must have wrapped up and got in there. Oh, some Chargers for sale, Challengers, Jeeps. First item on the gift list, James Avery bracelet. Maybe I can find parking. Maybe I'll park by that Benz. Benz is usually not pricks about hitting your car. Sides. Gift secured. Let's do some more POV. Let's go. Gift secured. This thing sounds mean off the line. You know, this stop and go traffic, I think it's a little worse right now because of the holidays. It's killing my gas. I didn't buy this thing for gas mileage, trust me. I drive a truck on the daily and that thing eats it up too, but it's just, I hate having a not so much the spending, because I'm used to spending on a big tank. It's just stopping. You really need to pump gas a lot. Like trips to the gas stations would kill me. Let me pass this one day up. Skirt, pull up in a skirt. Oh, you're gonna kill me? That border saved this little Explorer. I would have passed him up too. Pull up in a skirt. Pull up in a skirt. Pull up in a skirt. Bruh. If it wasn't for YouTube algorithm and the copyright stuff, I'd be jamming out right now. Some little baby, you know what I'm saying? Some Scat Pack music. Ooh, I was about to hit the gas on that. I'm glad I did it. Using that trailer up. Smart decision, Nissan. I'm on my way to check out this new restaurant. Just opened up. It's called Cactus Jack's, like Travis Scott's brand. Nothing to do with it. Totally unrelated. I ain't wearing no Travis Scott's today, unfortunately. I was wearing them yesterday though. Got plenty of Travis Scott shoes. I love those silhouettes he makes with Nike. I feel like being on the road right now.
badass parking spot.